Join me as I try to recreate Da Vinci's insane war machines using just everyday materials. In this video, you'll discover the incredible inventions of Leonardo da Vinci, focusing on his imaginative war machines that were far ahead of his time. Warfare in the Renaissance period was brutal and chaotic. Armies clashed on the battlefield, wielding swords, bows, and cannons in a desperate bid for supremacy. But amidst the mayhem, a visionary emerged, driven to revolutionize the art of combat. Leonardo da Vinci, the renowned artist and inventor, dedicated himself to designing machines that would give his patrons a decisive edge on the battlefield. His creations were daring, innovative, and often utterly bizarre. Da Vinci's war machines were the stuff of fantasy, forged in the crucible of his incredible imagination. In an era where heavy artillery was the exception rather than the rule, Da Vinci envisioned massive catapults that could hurl gigantic projectiles across vast distances. He designed multi-barreled machine guns that could rake enemy formations with withering firepower. And he even sketched out plans for an armored vehicle that could withstand a hail of arrows and cannonballs. These were not the products of a fevered dream. They were the blueprints for a military revolution. Da Vinci's war machines were not just fanciful notions. They were meticulously crafted designs, backed by precise drawings and calculations. He pored over treatises on mechanics and mathematics, adapting the teachings of ancient Greeks like Archimedes to create innovative solutions for his patrons. His machines were not just meant to kill. They were intended to awe, to intimidate, and to conquer. The Renaissance was an era of discovery and ingenuity, and Da Vinci's war machines embodied the very spirit of that age. Let's dive into the details of specific war machines, including his armored vehicle, catapult designs, and a flying machine, revealing how they functioned and their historical context. One of Da Vinci's most famous war machines is the armored vehicle, a precursor to the modern tank. This behemoth was propelled by a team of men turning cranks, which powered a system of gears and pulleys. The vehicle was covered in metal plates, protecting its occupants from arrow fire and cannonballs. It was slow but virtually indestructible, a game-changer on the medieval battlefield. Da Vinci's catapult designs were equally impressive, showcasing his mastery of mechanical systems. He envisioned giant crossbows that could launch massive projectiles, and even sketched out plans for a catapult driven by a team of horses. His designs were so radical that they would have given his patrons an unparalleled advantage on the battlefield. But Da Vinci's most ambitious project was his flying machine, a precursor to the modern airplane. This ornithopter, as he called it, had wings made of wood and linen, powered by a system of pulleys and cables. It was an audacious attempt to defy gravity, and although it never took to the skies, it foreshadowed the development of modern air power. The flying machine was a testament to Da Vinci's boundless imagination, his refusal to accept the limitations of his time. He dreamed of creating machines that would change the course of history, and his war machines were the clearest expression of that vision. Da Vinci's most audacious war machine was the multi-barreled machine gun, a precursor to the modern Gatling gun. This behemoth was designed to rake enemy formations with withering firepower, a game-changer on the medieval battlefield. Imagine deploying such a machine against a phalanx of heavily armored knights. The results would have been devastating. Another remarkable design was the armored ship, a precursor to the modern battleship. This floating fortress was covered in metal plates, bristling with cannons and catapults. It was a self-contained fighting platform, capable of decimating enemy fleets with impunity. But Da Vinci's most mind-boggling war machine was the gigantic catapult, a massive device capable of hurling gigantic projectiles across vast distances. Imagine deploying such a machine against an enemy stronghold. The results would have been catastrophic. These machines were not just fanciful notions. They were the building blocks of a military revolution. If they had been built, they would have changed the face of battle, ushering in a new era of warfare. Da Vinci's war machines may seem like relics of a bygone era, but they embody the spirit of innovation that underpins modern warfare. His designs were not just fantastical creations. They were the precursors to the advanced weapon systems we use today. Da Vinci's genius paved the way for the development of tanks, airplanes, and machine guns, changing the face of battle forever. What's your favorite Da Vinci invention? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to explore more historical inventions, be sure to check out my other videos on ancient machines and forgotten technologies. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.